On March 23, 2021, a gust of wind wreaked havoc on global trade. Ever given, an international shipping container vessel became lodged in Egypt's Suez Canal, a major shipping route between Europe and Asia. The vessel took 6 days to blank. It's as heavy as 2,000 blue whales when it's fully loaded. So one thing to note is that we have a subject and verb, vessel took. So we can say this has to be independent clause. And it's as heavy as 2,000 blue whales when fully loaded. That's another independent clause. So to connect the independent clauses, there are several ways. You can either start a new sentence, put a period and start a new sentence, or you can also put a semicolon but without providing the coordinate conjunction. And the last, you can put a comma and coordinate conjunction that can connect the two independent clauses. So if you just put comma such as choice A here, the vessel took 6 days to dislodge in part due to its sheer size. Okay, that's a comma splice and that cannot be the answer. And not only that, in part due to its sheer size is the supplementary element to the main element. The vessel took 6 days. So because it's describing the first element, you gotta put the comma so that this whole thing is a prepositional phrase that describes the former. Dislodge in part due to its sheer size, colon. Okay, so colon is the one that can also avoid or they can avoid either comma splice, and also you can have an item that's in full sentence, and I'll get back to it. Okay, so B, let's keep it. C, dislodge in part due to its sheer size, same problem as choice A. You're having a comma splice here. You can never connect two independent clauses with just a single comma alone. Dislodge in part, comma, due to its very unnecessary comma here, that's slightly changing the meaning here. And not only that, it's also having the same problem as A and C. We just have a run-on sentence, so D is out. So the reason why B is a good answer is that it's putting a colon to write a list that actually describe or that emphasize the claim before. Usually we put the colon to list the number of items, but if they only mention one, it's to emphasize or it's to give example that really reinforce the first claim. So we avoid a comma splice in choice B, and we have a supplementary element or prepositional phrase that's correctly placed with the comma before, and the colon here avoids the problem of connecting to independent clause as well. So the correct answer is B.